Okay, welcome back, guys. And I'm assuming that you guys are already ready to to see the answer. So I already answered them for you, but because for these problems, you just basically inputting the given radius to the formula, but something that you might have hard time is 4 and 7 because you're given diameter and we need radius. And recall that the diameter is the diameter is the line from the edge of the circle to the other edge of the circle, and we need the radius. So the radius is from the center of the circle all the way to the other edge of the circle. So the radius is half of the diameter. So if we're given a 4 kilometer diameter, so 4 kilometer diameter, then the radius is 4 kilometer divided by 2 is equivalent to 2 kilometer. So that is what we needed for our formula of circumference 2 pi r. So the circumference of the given diameter of 4 kilometers is 2 times pi times 2 kilometer, which is 4 pi kilometer. And it's the same thing with the number 7. Given a diameter of 10 kilometer, what is the area of the circle? So again, if you still have to draw the circle to find the to visually work with diameter and radius, feel free to draw it. So given the diameter, we have 10 kilometers. And so radius then is half of that diameter, which is from here to here. 10 kilometers divided by 2 is, yes, 5 kilometers. So that's our radius. So the area of the given diameter of 10 kilometers, area of a circle given the diameter of 10 kilometers, then is equivalent to pi times 5 kilometers squared, which is 25 pi kilometers squared. So let's now direct our attention to the problem that requires our thinking cap. So for this one, you have to draw in order to make it easier for you to draw what is going on in order to make it easier for you. So for instance, John ran one lap of 10 pi meter from a circular field. So a circular field. So since we have a circular field, we have to draw a circle. And hold on, let me just check if... Okay, perfect. So this is our circular field, and it says that John ran a lap of 10 pi meters from a circular field. So this is John running. Oh, he's running. And he's running this circular field. And it says that when he ran this circular field, he ran a total of 10 pi meter. But we are trying to find the area of the field. So do you have enough information Do you think you have enough information? So we're trying to find this one. We're trying to find the area of this field. But we're only given, what are we given? Yeah, what is the distance around the circle? What is that called? Yes, the circumference. Circumference is we are given a 10 pi meter. So, but we need to find an area of a circle. And we know the area of a circle is, to get the area of a circle, we need to have our formula out, which is pi times the radius squared. We're not given a diameter, we're not given any radius, but we're given a circumference. How can we possibly get the radius out from a given circumference? First, let's draw our formula for circumference. Circumference is equal to 2 pi r. And what are we given again? The circumference. So we know that circumference is equivalent to 10 pi meter. So we have 10 pi meter equals 2 pi r. That's interesting. Okay, so how can we find r by itself? Right, by doing the opposite with whatever is with the r. So since 2 pi r, in order to get rid of 2 pi with the r, we have to divide 2 pi both sides. Because whatever you do on the other side, you must also do on the other side. So 2 pi r divided by 2 pi is just r. So 10 pi meter divided by 2 pi is equivalent to, right, 5 meter. Ooh, did we just get our radius? Yes, we did. So radius is equivalent to 5 meter. Now, can we find the area? Of course we can, because area is pi times radius squared. And we already found our radius, which is 5 meters. So 5 meters squared is equivalent to, so pi times 5 meters squared is equivalent to, right, 25 pi meter squared. So this is the area of the circle given the circumference of 10 pi meters. I hope you guys enjoyed our lesson for today. And again, as always, if you guys have any question about anything that we discussed today, feel free to comment below or email me at vilmarj@gmail.com. So vilmarmarj@gmail.com. Again, thank you for joining me today, and see you guys on the next lesson.